How to sell crypto on Bitget P2P Trading. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sell crypto on Bitget P2P. So to sell crypto on Bitget, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log into your account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the field, something like this. Now on this page, you need to go and select P2P. As you click on P2P, now in the market, select the crypto you want to sell from the preferable merchant. So next, what you have to do is you just have to confirm the transaction, and here you need to go and select whether it's USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, and also make sure to select whether you want to buy or sell. Since I'm selling the cryptos, so I'm going to go ahead and select BTC, and next you need to go ahead and press the sell button. If you're sure about it, then click on confirm, then add a payment method depending on the buyer's preferences. Then you'll have successfully sold crypto on Bitget P2P Trading. So that is how you could go ahead and sell crypto on Bitget P2P Trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.